Hi guys, in this video we talk about the Google Pixel 8 Pro versus Vivo IQ 12 Pro. The Google Pixel 8 Pro launched on October 2023 with a price tag of $999, and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro launched on November 2023 with a price tag of $800. The dimensions is same and the weight of the devices. The Vivo IQ 12 Pro comes with 210 grams and the Google Pixel 8 Pro comes with 213 grams. And the build, the Google Pixel 8 Pro and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro front and back glass and aluminium frame, and the both mobile come with dual SIM support. And the display of these devices, the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with LTPO AMOLED 1 billion color, and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with LTPO OLED 16M color. And the screen size, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 6.7 inches display and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 6.78 inches display. The resolution of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 1344 by 2992 pixels and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 2K screen resolution. And the PPI density, the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 518 PPI density and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 489. Let's talk about the refresh rate of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 120Hz refresh rate and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 144Hz refresh rate. And the screen to body ratio, the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 89.4% and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 87.4%. And the both mobile come with Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection. And the screen brightness of these mobiles, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 2400 nits peak of brightness and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 3000 nits peak of brightness. Let's go to the camera setup of these devices. The Google Pixel 8 Pro come with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 48 megapixel ultra wide and 48 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 4K 60 fps video. And the Vivo IQ 12 come also with triple camera setup. The main sensor 50 megapixel wide, 50 megapixel ultra wide, 64 megapixel periscope telephoto, and it's record 8K 30 fps video. The selfie camera of the devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 10.5 megapixel selfie camera and 4K 60 fps video record, and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 16 megapixel selfie camera and 1080p 30 fps video record. And the platform of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Nona Core Cortex X3 CPU and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with Octa-Core X4. And the chipset of these devices, the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 4nm Pro chipset and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Google Tensor Gen 3 4nm chipset. And the GPU of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with Motorola G715S GPU and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with Adreno 750. And the both mobile come with Android 14 operating system. Let's talk about the memory of these devices. The Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 12GB and 16GB of RAM and the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 12GB of RAM. And the internal storage, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 128GB, 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage, and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 256GB, 512GB and 1TB of internal storage. No SD card support in both mobile. And the battery of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro come with 5050 mAh battery and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro come with 5100 mAh battery. And Google Pixel 8 Pro have 30 watt fast charging and the Vivo IQ 12 have 120 watt fast charging. And Google Pixel 8 Pro 23 watt wireless charging support and the Vivo IQ 12 50 watt wireless charging support. The both mobile come with 5G network support. The common and feature is same in both mobile. And the result of these devices, the Google Pixel 8 Pro got 20 points and the Vivo IQ 12 Pro got 25 points.